Dental emergencies in toddlers. Toddlers are forever energetic and on the move. As a result, you need to always be prepared for any mishaps or emergencies. Dental emergencies can be of various types and its severity depends on its nature. Having the knowledge on what to do in each case can be the difference between saving and losing a tooth. Here are a few dental emergencies and tips to handle it. Knocked out tooth. Falls or sport-related injuries can result in a tooth being knocked out. In this case, stay calm and find the tooth, pick it up by the crown, rinse it under water and seek immediate dental help. Object stuck in teeth. If your toddler has food particles or a sharp object stuck in their teeth, stay calm and check what is stuck in their teeth. Carefully remove the object using your hands or a floss and apply pressure with gauze in case of excessive bleeding. Broken or chipped tooth. It may occur after a fall or getting hit by a hard object. Until meeting your dentist, consult them for painkillers. Kids over 2 can be made to gargle salt water. Use paraffin wax on any hard edges and cold compress for swelling. Cut in lip or cheek. Accidental cuts in the lip or cheek can happen while eating. Clean the area thoroughly with water and cold compress for swelling. Seek dental help if bleeding persists. Broken jaw. Toddlers may break a jaw in a fall or while playing. Monitor them so that they do not move the jaw and use a cold compress. Immediately make your way to the dentist. Dental abscess. Untreated tooth decay can lead to pain and pus discharge. Rinse out mouth with salt water and use a cold compress. The condition requires immediate dental care. Injuries are often unavoidable, so in any case the best thing to do is stay calm and visit the dentist. These tips will help you manage the situation initially till you seek medical help.